Hello there lovelies, Ashley Michelle here and welcome back to my YouTube channel where you can find beginner beauty tutorials and reviews. And if this is your first time tuning in, thank you so much. Don't forget to tap that subscribe button so you can be a part of the beauty bestie gang. And thank you for my returning viewers as well. So today you guys, we have a quick and easy beginner friendly makeup tutorial that is perfect for this holiday party season, whether you are going to a Christmas Eve party, Christmas Day, or even New Year's as well. This look is definitely very versatile. I did a nude as well as a red lip combo just to show you guys you can really dress this up for daytime or nighttime. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video.
I don't wanna be crazy no more. Every time I think you're gonna walk out of my door, I start to jump to the conclusion you don't love me no more. Babe, give me something to work with, can you just reassure me? I'll end it before it starts. Call it protecting my heart. Hurt disguised as strength, but it's self-sabotage my love. Self-sabotage my love. Cause of my own pain. No one's coming to save you, baby girl. You got to save yourself. Hey, save you, baby girl. You got to save yourself.
Okay. Alright y'all, so we're going to go ahead and get into the face while the mascara is drying. This is definitely a simple 2 eyeshadow look that you can do for New Year's Eve or even for a Christmas dinner party or date night. So I wanted to go for a nice sultry smoky eye, but I didn't want to use black, so that's why we went with the brown. So it's still soft but still gives that nice drama as well. And I'm gonna go ahead and prime my skin using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. You guys, I stand beside sis. Like, I haven't found another primer. Now, if you want to dupe for the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, you definitely can get the e.l.f. I think it's called Power Grip. It has the same type of formulation, like it's very gripping. So I have tried that one. So those two have definitely been my 2 favorite primers for the year. Like, I haven't used anything else on my face besides those 2. So I'm just gonna rub this primer all the way in. And if you guys want to know all the details on this Babiana that I got going on, definitely make sure that you check out that video. I will have that video linked to this one as well. Next, you're gonna be doing my same normal foundation routine. I'm first gonna go in and color. Ooh. Okay, not me wasting product, because sis, this concealer about $30. We can't be having that. Alright. So I'm taking the NARS. Is this the Creamy Radiant? Oh, that is so tiny. I'm gonna say it's the NARS Creamy Radiant concealer in the shade Chocolate Dark Zero. I want to place that underneath my under eyes so that way I can camouflage the darkness underneath my under eyes, and I'm going to go over my lip. And I like to do this to help balance out the darkness. I notice when I do not do this step, it looks a little like shadowy underneath my foundation. So I just go straight in and blend it out. I don't let it really sit for this one just because we're gonna go straight into foundation anyway. So, and I'm using the Mary Kay cream color brush to blend this in. I love using this brush because it's almost like using your fingers to pat that in, and it gets in the creases and crevices, especially when you're doing your under eye concealer, which I really do love about this. And you guys, I'm definitely gonna do like a new year near you like update video slash vlog. I'm gonna do that later. But you guys, I'm just super duper excited for 2024. 2023 was just 2023 was lifing. Like, comment down below if 2023 was lifing for you. Like, comment down below, okay? So I'm definitely just excited for 2024 to come on up in here, sis. Like, we ready. We ready. Like, and this year I'm doing something different as far as like getting my goals prepared. Like, I feel like I don't want to like wait till 2024 to work on the goals. So what I've been trying to do, this is literally, while I'm recording this, the last 2 weeks leading up to the new year. I told myself I want to really implement the things that I see the 2024 version of myself doing. So I'm trying to like wake up at the time that I want to wake up at, like literally go through my day, hitting all the things that I want to hit throughout the day, throughout the weeks, to really get into that habit of doing it. So that way when New Year's comes, it's not like, okay, I'm trying, and then if I don't make the mark, that I'm like devastated. So that's what I've been working on while I'm on vacation. And I'm gonna be using the NARS Longwear Foundation. Y'all know this is my favorite. I'm gonna stand beside her each and every time. Just gonna shake her up a little bit. I am using the shade Macau. I didn't get a lot of sun this year, so this has pretty much been the only shade that I've been using. So I'm just going to apply that all over. And I meant to use my foundation brush, but you definitely can just go ahead and apply it. It's nothing wrong with that. Gonna go in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I like to do this setting mist on my foundation, so it's kind of like setting while I'm blending it out. I love to do that. I feel like it helps make my foundation last a whole lot longer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let that sit for a little bit. And you guys, I do apologize if I keep clearing my throat. Y'all, I am getting over a little slight cold situation. No fever, praise God, but it's just like I've been coughing, and then I was sneezing a lot, stuffy and all of that. So, but I'm feeling a whole lot better, and I just wanted to get back into my recording because I want to get right for 2024. Like, I want to go into 2024 with a bang. I don't want to be slacking. So I said, you know what? Let me come on here and just go ahead and get these videos together. Because y'all know a girl can start lifing and get real inconsistent, and we ain't doing that no more. I'm going to try my best, y'all, in 2024 to be a whole lot more consistent. OMG. Y'all, comment down below. Do you feel like the makeup and the hair, it just like you gotta have both? Like when you have both, it just elevates the whole look, like, period. Because I wasn't for sure if I was gonna really like this wig, but I felt like it's because I didn't have like my whole look put together and what I was envisioning. So now the makeup is on. Okay, look. Introduce me as your fiance, like, period, like. Yeah, I play all day, but I be so serious, Y'all, this foundation is like butter on the skin. Like, look at it. Like, you can't tell me that I ain't skin, sis. Look at it. Ooh. Y'all, I just be so excited. Like, when I do my makeup and my hair, I get so excited. Because this is art. I don't care what nobody say. We are Picassos out here when it comes to doing this hair and makeup. Period. Bam. Alright, so we are going to highlight and contour. She is definitely giving full glam, so And it's crazy, y'all. It's 10:33 at night. And I'm gonna wear this makeup for a good 2 hours and go to bed. Which color is this? Butterscotch. I'm just putting it on and like not even telling you guys what I'm putting on. So we're gonna go with butterscotch. I'm gonna do a nice little generous amount of that. Gonna go down the bridge of the nose. And if I'm looking this way out of the mirror, this looking at the mirror, so I'm trying to like, I don't know why I'm acting so nervous, y'all. Like I haven't been doing this for about 5 years now. On the chin, chinny chin chin. I don't really feel like doing my forehead because like the way this bang is gonna be, it's gonna be covering the forehead anyway. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna pop a little bit of cookie right on top of that in the inner corner. Now this time we're gonna let this sit. We're gonna let this sit a little bit, sis, and I'm gonna go ahead and work on my cream contour areas, and I'm gonna use the Black Opal True Color Foundation stick in the shade Suede Mocha. And again, because I got a lot going on with the bang, I'm not gonna contour my forehead, but I am gonna do my cheekbones. Going to do those, and I'm gonna do the bridge of my nose, cause we gotta snatch the nose, sis. We gotta snatch something. Okay, I was like, I couldn't find my brush. I think I'm gonna do my nose contour last because I feel like I be messing it up when I do the contour before I blend out the nose first. I'm gonna wait to do that one. And yeah, so I picked up some random lashes, y'all, because I forgot to pack some lashes before I came out here. These are by I Allure. This is the Luxe Silk. Alright, y'all, so my camera died in the middle of me completing the rest of my face, but this is what the beat is looking like, period. So I'm gonna go ahead and hurry up and wrap this video up before my camera dies again. Far as my lips, I am going to be doing a nude lip combo. I think I'm gonna do nude, and then I'm probably gonna switch it to red afterwards because I don't know, something is just telling me that red would hit. Or should I just go ahead and do the red? Cause I'm like, it's holiday season, so like, why not? Alright, y'all, so for my new lip combination, I'm gonna be using the Milani Matte Satin Liquid Lipstick in the shade number 1 Lavish. I'm gonna pair that with the NYX Lip Crayon Pencil in Nutmeg. And then for my red liquid, my lips can't even talk, y'all. For my red look, I'm gonna be doing the Milani Lip Satin Liquid Lipstick in Satin number 10, and I'm gonna pair that with the NYX Matte Lip Liner in Kitten Heels. So I'm gonna do 2 looks so you guys can see the difference with both, because I feel like red is just like elevating it. Like nude, she's soft, she's sultry, but red is like boom in your face, like I have arrived. So we're gonna do both, okay? So here's what it looks like with the nude. I really do like it. Nice, sultry, soft. It's still the boldness with the eye. So yes, so let me know down below, you guys, if you guys are feeling the nude lip combo or the red. So let's go ahead and get into the red. Alright, y'all, so here are the final results of this holiday glam / Christmas or New Year's makeup look. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new. Do not forget to leave me a comment down below of what your thoughts was on this look. Are you rocking nude or are you rocking red to these holiday parties this year? And also let me know in the comments too, what are some of your favorite holiday traditions, you guys? This year I am trying some new things out myself to just spend time with my family and friends. So I hope that you guys guys have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And of course, as always, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with your beauty besties so we all can look fabulous together. And you all guys already know what to do. Remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin'. And I'll catch you guys at my next video. Bye.